Hello, it's day 20, and the topic is clarity or the click, also called a eureka moment or that aha. And I think it's that moment where you know, I got this. Right? You don't need to learn all of a thing usually. There's like 20% that you need to know to be able to do your job. And that 20% makes up like 80% of the work. It's like Pareto's law or something. 20% of the work will give you 80% of the results. So for example, YouTube, you need to know all the buttons on your camera. You don't need to know all the buttons in Premiere or whatever editing program you use. You just need to know enough to make the video to then post on YouTube, right? There are so many buttons, switches, knobs, and doodads, and you're like, I don't know what most of this stuff does, but I do know enough to cut up a video and put it on YouTube, right? And I think that's that moment of clarity. It's like you just need to know enough to get the job done and do the job. You can finesse it later, but all you need is that click, that aha moment. It's like, oh, I got this. So for example, at YouTube, I was freaked out by this camera eye just staring at me. It kind of freaked me out. But now me and Jim, we got a good relationship, right? I talk to Jim daily. And around day 16, my nerves, kind of settled down, and I got my notes. I know what the equipment does, more or less. And I can sit down and have a conversation with Jim, and it's good. I don't need to know all the buttons, all the switches, all the knobs. I know enough to get the job done. And I can finesse it as I move forward. Work until you get to that click, right? The 20% that'll get you the big results. Day 20, the click, the clarity moment. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Get a visual representation. Blah, blah, blah.